Hi, I'm Paul Torgerson. It's Thursday, September 5th, 2019, and this is a look at the information security news from overnight. From Threat Post, a high-severity zero-day vulnerability has been found in Google's Android operating system. The specific flaw exists within the Video for Linux 2 driver. An attacker with physical access to the Android device could leverage the flaw to escalate privileges and take control. Vulnerability score of 7.8 and no patch yet available. From ZDNet, criminals used AI-generated audio to impersonate a CEO's voice and conned a divisional CEO in the UK into transferring $242,000 to a scammer's account. These deepfake voice attacks could be the next iteration of the business email compromise, which has cost businesses almost $2 billion over the past 2 years. From Bleeping Computer, a new Android Trojan named Joker has been found in 24 Google Play Store apps with more than 472,000 combined downloads. Armed with a malware dropper and spyware capabilities, it simulates user interaction on ad sites and will also harvest its victims' device info, contact list, and text messages. See the article for details and a list of those apps. From Bleeping Computer, for almost a year, threat actors could exploit a vulnerability in Samba software that allowed them to bypass file sharing permissions and escape outside the share root directory. Patches have been issued for this 9.1 severity flaw if you are running versions 4.9.13 or 4.10.8 or earlier. And from TechCrunch, an exposed server has been found that contained more than 419 million records over several databases of phone numbers linked to Facebook accounts. Some of the records also had the user's name, gender, and location by country. At least 18 million of those records are users in the UK. We'll see if GDPR has anything to say. That's all for me today. Have a great rest of your day, and until tomorrow, be safe out there.